class. In this class, I am going to discuss Karnataka TET 2024 Science Preparation. The topic is Gravitation. Here, I am going to discuss few important MCQ questions based on the topic Gravitation. Theory part already I did in 2023. Please watch that video. First, watch the theory part of the topic Gravitation. Then easily you can answer this MCQ questions, these MCQ questions. Okay, let us start the class. Let us consider the first question. First question, the weight of an object on the surface of the moon is 60 Newton. The weight of the object on the surface of the moon is 60 Newton. What will be its weight on the surface of the earth? What is its weight on the surface of the earth? They are asking the question. Already you know. Yes, I am checking whether the video is coming or not. Okay. Yes, it is coming live. Yes. Good. Next. Okay. Already you know weight of any object on the moon is 1/6 of weight of object on the earth. Here 60 Newton, this is the weight of the object on the moon, therefore substitute 60 Newton. 1/6 of weight of object on the earth, WE, consider the small e or capital E, which one is convenient for you, consider that one. Otherwise consider both also capital, it will be good. This is moon, this is earth. Then cross multiply weight of object on the earth, it will be equal to 360. Very easy question. Therefore, the correct answer it will be 360 Newton. What you have to remember? You have to remember the concept here. Weight of an object on the moon, it will be equal to 1/6 of weight of an object on the earth. That is the important one you have to remember. Let us move to the next question. Yes, next question. An object weighing 20 kg is raised through a height of 2 meter. An object having a weight of 20 kg is raised to, consider an object here, I will consider a wooden box having the weight 20 kg. This one is raised to an height of 2 meter. This is the height. Okay, height 2 meter. What will be the work done? What will be the work done? They are asking. Work done by the force of gravity in this process. The gravitational force is 10 meter per second square. They are given the value of the gravity. Therefore, consider this value. If an object of weight 20 kg, if it is raised to an height of 2 meter, then what will be the work done by the force of gravity in this process? The gravitational force, it will be 10 meter per second square. You know W, work done. Work done you will consider as a delta W or W. Work done, it will be equal to mass into G into H, mgh. Remember the formula. Work done by the force of gravity, it will be equal to gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy, it will be equal to mass into G means acceleration due to gravity, H means height. Then mass, they are given here 20 kg. The mass of an object is 20 kg. G, they are given the value 10 meter per second square. Height also they are given, that is 2 meter. Multiply, you will get 400 joule. Joule is the, here consider as a work done. This is the work done. Yes, work done is how much they are asking here. Then work done, it will be equal to mass into G into H. They are given the value, substitute the value, you will get the work done 400 joule. Very easy question. Some numerical problem also they will ask in gravitational force. The topic gravitation. Okay, let us move to the next question. This one is also a tricky question. A body has a weight of W. A body has a weight W on the surface of the earth. What is its weight on the planet whose mass is 15 times of that of the earth and radius is 4 times that of the earth? Here they are given to compare. I will write here. Okay, I will explain here only. On earth, G is a gravitational constant, M is the mass of the earth, R is the radius of the earth. You know, W it will be capital G, capital M divided by R square. This is the on the earth, this is the G is the gravitational force, capital M is the mass of the earth, capital small r is the radius of the earth. Then here W it will be capital G, capital M divided by R square. But here they are given the condition, a body has a weight W on the surface of the earth. What is its weight on a planet whose mass is 15 times? The mass is 15 times more. Okay. Then radius is 4 times that of the radius of the earth, 4r. Mass is 15 times more. Consider this as W. W1 it will be, gravitation is constant, mass is 15 times more means 15 into m. Then radius is 4 times r square is there, no? Here r is 4r. Then substitute r value here, 4r whole square. Then you will get W1 it will be equal to, J is constant, then 15 capital M divided by 4 square means 16 R square. Then W1 it will be equal to, take this constant outside, capital M, capital G, capital M divided by R square into 15 divided by 16. You know, this is nothing but the value of W. W into 15 divided by 16. Therefore, weight of the body on the planet will be 15 by 16th times of the weight of the earth. The correct answer for this question is 5 by 16 times more than the weight on the earth. Understood everyone? You have to remember the formula. W it will be equal to capital G, capital M divided by R square. Then here they are given the condition, the mass, the object mass it will be 15 times more. Then radius it will be 4 times more. Then radius it will become 4r. Then mass it will become 16 into capital M. Substitute 4r square means 4 4s are 16r square. Then take this all alphabets one side, otherwise constant one side, then 15 by 16. You know, this value capital G, capital M divided by R square, it will be equal to W. Therefore, W1, the weight of the body on the planet, particular planet, they not mention the planet name, particular planet, the weight of an object on the planet will be 15 by 16 times of the weight of the earth. Easy problem. Next one. Let us move to the next problem. Total energy of freely falling object. Option 1 increases, option 2 decreases, option 3 remains same, option 4 depends upon the mass of the object. Total energy of freely falling object, it will be remains the same. Why it will be remains the same? Total energy of a freely falling body, it will be remain same. Why it will be same? Because when an object is freely falling means without any, see, under the free fall where the gravity is the sole influence on the body, the total energy remains the same. Why the object it will be free fall? Because of the earth gravitational force, the object, whatever the object, it will be attracted towards the earth. Then that in that case, freely falling body, in that case potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. Potential energy keeps on decreasing, kinetic energy keeps on increasing. Therefore, according to the law of conservation of energy, total energy it will be remain same. What will happen? See, when the object is at a particular height, assume here some tank is there, here water is there, water is filled, then what will happen? Freely falling, it will be like that only. Or I consider any object, here I kept one stone. Then if I make the stone to fall down, what will happen? When the stone is at rest, potential energy it will be maximum, kinetic energy it will be 0. Potential energy is maximum, kinetic energy it will be 0 when this stone is at the rest position. It will be from, this is the ground, from the earth it will be on the particular height. What will happen when I make this stone to free fall? Then in this case the potential energy it will be start decreasing, kinetic energy it will start increasing, but total energy it will be remains. Sum of the potential and kinetic energy it will be remains same. Assume potential energy is decreasing means -5, kinetic energy is increasing means +5. -5 plus 5 is always 0, like that. The potential energy, kinetic energy at a particular point in a freely falling object, the energy remain same. Why it will be remain same? Because the object potential energy of that object is decreases, kinetic energy it will be increases. That's why. Let us move to the next question. This is the very basic concept. I know everyone you know, but those who don't know properly, that's why I explained in detail. Who was the first to experimentally determine the value of the universal gravitational constant? Who discovered universal gravitation constant, capital G? First option Henry Cavendish, second one John Kepler, third option Isaac Newton, fourth one Laurent Friedel. The correct answer is first option Henry Cavendish. Remember, here I given the scientist name, what they invented, I given the list. Please go through that. Maybe in the exam any out of 4 anyone they may ask. First Henry Cavendish, UK, then invention hydrogen and also the value of G. John Kepler, Germany, Keplerian telescope, law of planetary motion. Isaac Newton, country UK, invention law of motion, universal gravitation. Then Laurent Friedel, France, he is from France. Then invention, contribution to quantum gravity, meta string theory. Remember, very important and also it is necessary. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following statement for an object falling freely under the influence of gravity is correct? Which option is correct? They are asking here. First one, zero acceleration always implies zero velocity. Second option, zero acceleration has no relation with the velocity of the object. Third option, zero velocity at any instant necessarily means zero acceleration at that instant. Fourth one, acceleration is constant all throughout the free fall. The correct answer for this question is option D. When an object is freely falling, acceleration is constant throughout the free fall. Because already I told potential energy it will be decreases, kinetic energy is increases when an object is freely falling. In that case, what will happen? Acceleration it will be remains constant. A freely falling object has only one external force, that is the gravitational force. Freely falling body means you are not forcing, you are not applying any force on that particular object. Because of the earth gravitational force, that object is falling down. Okay. Therefore, acceleration due to gravity, acceleration is constant all throughout the free fall. That is the correct one. Let us move to the next question. At which point of the earth is there is no gravity? In which point of the earth there is no gravity? First option at north and south pole, second at equator, third option on the ocean surface, fourth at center of the earth. The correct answer for this question is at the center of earth there is no gravitation force. There is no gravity at the center of the earth. Remember. Why there is no gravity at the center of the earth? The center of the earth is such that if we are at the place, the mass around us can be considered to be condensed at the surface of the earth itself, considering the earth has a spherical shell. Already you know the earth it will be in the form of a spherical. Then the center of the earth is such that if we are at that place, when we imagine you are at the center of the earth surface, okay, the mass around us can be considered to be condensed at the surface of the earth. See, consider this is an earth, this is the center of the earth. Then inside a spherical shell there is no change in potentials as one move inside. Since only a change in potential impulse a force, there is no force. What will happen in the center of the earth? There is no change in the potential. Only you will observe there is a change in the potential impulse, change in the potential impulse, and also there is no force. There is no external force at the center of the earth. Hence, acceleration due to gravity is zero at the center of the earth. Remember. Then what will be the mass of the earth? They are given 4 options. The correct answer it will be 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. Option 4. Remember, the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. Remember. Next question. How much would a 78 kg man weight on the moon take? G is 1.63 meter per second square. You know, weight it will be mass into, I will consider as capital only, mass into gravitational force. Masses they are given 78. Then G is 1.63 multiply, you will get 127.14 Newton. See, how much would a 78 kg man weight on the moon? They are given G value, they are given mass, then W it will be M into G. Substitute, you will get the answer. The force of gravity acting on an object is known as, first one, impulse, second option, mass, third option, acceleration, fourth one is weight. The correct one is weight. The force of gravity acting on an object is also known as a weight. See, you always the students or even teacher, they will get confused with between mass and weight. when we will use the word weight, mass and weight meaning we will consider as a same only. Okay, mass it will measure the quantity, weight also it will measure the quantity. Okay, but here weight it will be depend upon the gravitational force. Weight it will be not same. Weight on the object on the earth is moon, it will be not same. Weight it will be go on changing because of the earth gravitational force, because of the moon gravitational force it will be different. Okay, that's why weight of the object on the moon it will be equal to 1 by 6 of weight of object on the earth. This one you know, because weight mainly depend upon the gravitational force. Gravitational force is not same on the earth, is not same on the moon, but mass on the mass of any object on the earth it will be equal to mass of any object on the moon. Mass it will be same, because mass we will consider the measure of the quantity, but here we will not consider the gravitational force. Without applying a gravitational force, otherwise without considering a gravitational force we will consider a mass. Therefore mass on both earth and also moon it will be same, but weight it will be different quantity. Keep in your mind, always weight it will be depends upon the gravitational force. Very easy topic, but so many they will get confused, even they don't know what is the difference, exact difference between mass and weight. Okay, let us move to the next question. The force of gravitation between two bodies in the universe does not depend. Option 1, the distance between them. Second option, the sum of their masses. Third option, the gravitational constant. Fourth one, the product of their masses. The correct answer for this question they are asking does not depend. The force of gravitation between two bodies in the universe does not depend upon. The correct answer it will be option 2, sum of their masses. Because the force of gravitation between two bodies is always depend upon the distance between the bodies, and also gravitational constant capital G, and also product of their masses, but here they are given sum of the masses, that is wrong. Let us move to the next question. Who among the following was the first to conclude that in vacuum all the objects fall with the same acceleration g, reach the ground at the same time? What will happen in the vacuum when you will keep all the object inside the vacuum? All the object they will fall inside the vacuum with the same acceleration. What is the reason? First option, Albert Einstein. Second one, Galileo Galilei. Third one, Thomson Alva Edison. Fourth one, Isaac Newton. Conclude, who invented that? Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei. You can think why it will happen inside the vacuum when you will keep different object of having different mass. Okay, they will fall inside the vacuum with the same acceleration. Why it will happen? Because inside the vacuum there is no change in the acceleration. Acceleration it will be remain same in the vacuum. Whatever the air present, all the air it will be like we will evacuate that air, we will remove the air. That's why. Okay, if you want detailed explanation, please watch my gravitational theory part, because here I am discussing only MCQ questions in 2023. Okay, TET preparation, search in that one. Theory part of gravitation is there. Please go through that one. Once again, if I repeat the same concept, you will also get bored, those who are watching second time. That's why here I will discuss only MCQ. If you need theory part, please watch that videos. Okay. What is the value of universal gravitational constant? What is the value of G? The value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 10 CGS unit. 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 10 CGS unit. Remember, because each and every, even though the concept, even though the topics are same in Karnataka TET 2023-24, topics are same. I don't want to explain the theory part again and again. Same PowerPoint I have to consider, same I have to explain. Instead of that, I am taking different set of question, new set of questions. Here MCQ questions I am not repeating. I am taking, you can see whatever I discussed in 2023 gravitational questions. That set of question is different. Today what I am discussing, this set of questions is different. That's why TET is mainly based on MCQ questions. That's why I am concentrating more questions. If we solve more questions on the same topic, easily you can answer whatever the topics they will mention according to the syllabus. You can thorough, you can maximum number of questions you can cover. Okay, that's why. Next one, I think this one is repeated. The point where the entire weight of an object acts is, first option H, second one center of gravity, third one central point, fourth one can anywhere in the body. No, maximum point where the entire weight of an object is mainly concentrated on the center of gravity. The point where entire weight of an object, it will be concentrated at the center of gravity. Let us move to the next question. At which of the following place is the gravitational acceleration is 0? In which place the gravitational acceleration is 0? First option at sea level, second at the poles, third option at the equator, fourth one at the center of the earth. At the center of the earth, the gravitational acceleration also 0. Even the mass of the entire mass of the earth, it will be condensed or concentrated at the center of the earth. Okay, that's why the gravitational acceleration, it will be 0, because the center of the earth, it will be fixed, correct? No, it is not moving. The potential energy, kinetic energy, it will not at all change. It will be remain same. There is no change in the potential. That's why. Okay, thank you everyone. I think this class is useful. I discussed few MCQ questions based on the topic gravitation. Okay, please watch my video if possible. Today I will take one more class based on English pedagogy. Then I am planning to take one more class today, that is mathematics classes. I will start arithmetic progression. I will start, and also I will tell in each topic how many marks they will be going to ask. According to the topics, I will mention the marks. Then it will be easy for you. If I mention the marks, okay, arithmetic progression, this number of questions they will ask. Then next profit loss, like that. Topic wise, if I go on explaining how many marks they will be going to ask, then you will come to know which topic is very important. According to that, you can start preparation. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. We will meet in the next class.